Okay, so here we have a maple tree here at the Alfred Caldwell Lily Pool, and if you look up, you'll see some holes up here, either done by branches that have rotten away or created by woodpeckers coming through here. And this is where the wood ducks will have their nests, because wood ducks, as opposed to mallards, wood ducks always have their nests up in trees, and when it's time for the eggs to hatch and the ducklings come down, they just fall down. There's no other way. Their bones are not set. They're all kind of fuzzy and they kind of like bounce around, and they gotta have to get to the water to get their first drink and also to eat some of the algae that we have here. So why do we knock on wood? For good luck? Well, it goes back to ancient Druid days in Eastern Europe and Germany, where they believed that their gods lived in trees, and if they wanted to have a conversation and they didn't want their gods to know what they were talking about, they would gather by the different trees. Everybody would start to knock on the wood, creating a vibration, thereby confusing what the gods were hearing.